Welcome to my channel, children. Today I am with algebraical equations, competitive type algebraical equation. You have to find the value of x with the equation x plus 3 into x plus 5 into x plus 7 into x plus 9. If it is equal to 9, find x is equal to what? The value of x is to be obtained. In this equation, one trick is to be used. This can be done as, कैसे किया सकता है? This is 3 plus 9, 12, and 5 plus 7 is also 12. इसका इस्तेमाल कीजिए, use of this. It means that we are adding these two 12 and divide this by 2 is equal to 6. These are the two factors out of which 3 and 9 is adding equal to 12 and 5 and 12, 7 is adding to equal to 12 divided by 2. Then we will get 6. It means if we put x plus 6 is equal to y, supposing x plus 6 is equal to y. It means this is we have supposed. Let this. It means x plus 6 minus 3. This is equal to y minus 3. Okay? Meaning x minus 3. X plus 3 can be written as y minus 3. Okay, as per this prescriptions, this we have assumed. Okay. Similarly, now x plus 5, x plus 6 is equal to y because we have assumed this. Now this x plus 5 can be written as y minus 1. Clear? Okay. This is the first term, this is the second term of this equation. Now third, x plus 7, because x plus 6 is equal to, we have assumed y, it means x plus 7 will be equal to y plus 1. Okay. Last, this is the third term, and the fourth one, x plus 9, x plus 6 is equal to y, it means x plus 9 can be written as y plus 3. Clear? These are the values of this first, where is first? This. First, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. Okay. Now we are going. X plus 3. X plus 3 can be written as y minus x plus 3, y minus x plus 3. X plus 3 can be written y minus 3. Okay? Because x plus 6 was equal to 6. तो माइनस 3 करेंगे तो माइनस 3 इधर भी आ जाएगा. प्लस 3 करेंगे, इस प्लस से माइनस 3 घटाना है, 3 घटाना है तो ये घटेगा तो माइनस 3. ओके. In place of x plus 5, we can write y minus 1. In place of x plus 7, we can write y plus 1. In place of x plus 9, we can write y plus 3. Okay. Now, these two are same and these two are same with opposite sign. Y minus 3 and y plus 3 together we will take, and y minus 1 and y plus 1 will take together. Then we will get, as per the formula, the y square minus 3 square. As we know, what we know? That a minus b into a plus b is equal to, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus B square. This is the logic. This is used over here. A, B, A, B. A plus B, A minus B. A square minus B square. Same is the condition over here. Y square minus 1 square. Okay. Is equal to 9. This is already given to us 9. 9 is equal to. Okay. Correct. This is equal to y square minus 9 into y square minus 1 is equal to 9. Open it. खोलिए. Y to the power 4 minus 9y square minus y square plus 9 is equal to 9. This 9 get cancelled. ये cancel हो गया. Hence we will get here simple what? That y to the power 4 minus 10y square is equal to 0. Y can be taken as y square can be taken as a common one. We will get here y square minus 10 is equal to 0. Now two values of y we are having here. Either y is equal to 0, case first. Case first. When y square is equal to 0, it means y was equal to x plus 6. It means x plus 6 is equal to square is equal to 0. Or x plus 6 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to minus 6. This is the first answer. First answer x is equal to minus 6. Now case second. Case second y square. Second y square is equal to 10. It means y will be equal to plus minus root of 10. But y is equal to what? Y is equal to x plus 6. We have assumed y is equal to x plus 6. So x plus 6 is equal to plus minus root of 10. Hence x will be equal to minus 6 plus minus root of 10. It means we are having three values of x. Okay. Out of which ठीक है. Okay. This is second case में x will be equal to minus 6 plus minus root of 100. This will be the answer. Okay. It is a tricky question. This type of the question generally comes in competition. So that you should have the practice all these question. Only this is the logic. जितना आप टच में रहेंगे मैथ्स में उतना आपको प्रैक्टिस याद होगी. इसकी कोई थ्योरी नहीं है. It is to be assumed. Only trick is to be used. Okay. Thank you. Good luck for you. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you will like this. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Okay. Thank you. Good luck.